arrested. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, sir.
And you don't know what you're being arrested for? They just pick you up and they arrest you for no good reason?
Correct. They come in your house and... What's that?
They come to your house and they arrest you, you're saying, right?
Mm-hmm.
And at no time did anybody say why you were being arrested?
Whatever's the case may be, they can come up with a fictitious... They can come up with...
Doesn't matter, right? It's
right.
Like you said, you played your banjo too loud. Okay, great. But they told you, right, at least they told you that you did something wrong, right?
Okay.
They charged you with something.
Yeah.
Like playing the banjo too loud.
Yeah.
Okay. There you go.
Yeah.
So what more do you need to know from them, other than you played the banjo too loud? It's like, okay, so I played the banjo too loud. So who's making the claim that playing the banjo too loud is wrong?
Yeah, but in a lawsuit, don't you have to give them a fair warning that you're about to be sued?
We're not talking about a lawsuit. You said somebody came to your house and arrested you. Say they came to the house and arrested you because you're smoking crack.
Yes, but when I say lawsuit, what I mean is when you go to court, they have to follow rules as if they're filing a lawsuit. Am I right or wrong?
No. They can do whatever the hell they want anytime they want, man. You are the one who's got to be confident and saying, just, like I said, it's like watching an Alice in Wonderland. The queen wants to do whatever the hell she wants. And if you're not confident, that's your problem. It ain't their problem.
Okay, but I'm
reading the rules up as they go along, man. If nobody objects to it, they're going to play the game they want to. As long as they can.
But exactly, but at the same time, they do have, like here in Texas, they got a Texas Court of County Civil Procedures, and they also got the Texas Supreme Court of Civil Procedures.
So what? If they don't feel like abiding by the rules, so what? If nobody objects, who cares? They're just bringing it as they go along. So what?
So if you object to them following the rules,
well, you can't object. Look, go watch Alice in Wonderland. Go see what happened to Alice when she kept objecting to the Queen of Hearts telling her that she's playing the game wrong. She's holding her court in error. Go ahead. You're wasting your time.
Okay.
You're wasting your total time. The best thing to do is when you realize and when you're dealing with a crazy Queen of Hearts kind of court situation going on, you put it in your answers to court in writing. So, under what right or who's making a claim against me? Is this or this not a common law land? Yes or no? If this is a common law land, then I have the right to confront my accuser. Who is the man or the woman who's accusing me of doing wrong? You put it in writing. You require them to file it into their case. It's not your case, it's their case still at this point. But like I said, you don't have that kind of a crazy, banana republic yet in this country that you could say to me, oh, well, they totally disregard all that. Oh, really? I haven't seen one time where they've totally disregarded that, if you address them and answer them properly. But if you just go in there and you say, well, I'm not guilty, and I've got rights, and I'm the man, and this is a common law land, they'll just laugh at you. They're like, did this little guy squeak about something? What's he squeaking about? They don't pay you no mind. You use your tongue to answer the court. The only thing they want to care about in their second dimension is paper. Put it in paper. Put it in
and I agree with you on that, and that's what I've been typing up. But as like I was saying, I've typed up a question, you know what I'm saying, of does someone claim that I owe a debt? Does someone claim that I've done wrong? Is a third party uninterested witness going to come forth to testify to these facts? You know what I'm saying? Is that the proper approach to go?
That's fine. You do that way before you go into an open court. That's right. That's exactly what you start doing. That's right. And you're doing that immediately.
Okay, and they, like I say, I was reading they rules of civil procedure. They have a certain amount of days before they can file an affidavit or a motion, which is 21 days. And anything after that, in my opinion, they state they have a bad faith clause, a bad faith affidavit. Wouldn't you attack that and say that's the case? And I couldn't care less, dude. I couldn't care less what they motion. I couldn't care less about their rules. I couldn't care less. That's their rules. Mm-hmm. This is not a code land. You're saying, well, they're violating their code. I don't give a shit what they're doing with their code. I don't care if they're rewriting their code as they're going and making it up as they go along. I don't care. This is not a common law land. That's all I want to know. It is. So since it's a common law land, the whole this silly stuff about code has absolutely nothing to do with me.
And like I said, Molly will tell you, man, that he witnessed it firsthand in court, that the judge was like, that's right. I'm telling you, that barrister they had on the other side, he was magnificent. He was great at code. He was great at precedent and case law. He was great. That guy was great. Molly might be able to tell you. I don't know if that guy was, the barrister, was he from India or something like that? That barrister?
Pakistan,
yeah, he was good. That guy was good.
He was really hot too. He was really quick up on the ball. Very sharp.
And he had the rules of their court down like you got no idea. He was great. And he was good. And he was fast. And he was passionate. He was not some, slobbering old gibbering fool like the first time I went to that court on Monday. That guy was final. This kid was good. This kid's mom is proud of him. I'm telling you, this guy's they got their money's worth hiring this guy. And I'm telling you, it meant nothing in a common law court. And he was good. If I tried to keep up with him with his rules and his precedent and his case law, he would have ate me for lunch. I had no clue what the hell this guy was going on about. Because he's using all English nonsense, all English precedent, all English code, all English law. I had no freaking idea. All I know is like, look, where's the man I've done wrong to? Is that the guy? Hey, I'm sorry, dude. Hey, I'm done. Let's go home. That's it. So all that fancy razzle-dazzle bullshit, like I said to people, look, I said, when you go to a legal society, when you read their rules and their civil procedure, it's like basically like that mousetrap game that everybody played when they were a kid. There's 88 pieces to that damn game. That game takes like an hour or two to play until you get all the damn pieces to line up to kill a mouse. Now, I'm just going to find a stick on the ground, I'm going to whack that mouse in the head with a stick, and I'm done. Now, what kind of game is that? That's the common law game. I come into the room, I hit him with a stick, and I'm done. I was like, what just happened? That took you 10 seconds. Dude, I'm done. What? I'm done. Wait a second, there's 88 more steps. No, there's 8 more steps for your silly game. Well, how much money can we make, Karl, just hitting a mouse in the head with a stick? Nothing. You can't make a freaking dime. Well, Karl, how are we going to jerk these people around and take all their money and wealth from them? How are we going to keep these people wrangled up in court for years? Well, keep playing your game. These people seem to be buying a silly mousetrap game. How many people bought that 88-step mousetrap game? Billions. How many people would buy my stick? Nobody. My game is no fun. My game is, boom, one stick done. Where's the man? Who did I close on to? Oh, you, sorry. Next case. All right, next case. What? He's done. We're done. Holy shit, that was quick. What the fuck you do? I apologize.
That's your German blood.
Yeah. We're done. It's like, we're done? We're done. Oh shit, that was quick. Next case. You see, that's what I'm saying, man. They can't make no money on common law.